January 2015, number 4. Okay, so in this part A, the first thing they ask us to do is to complete the table, and we see here that we have an equation. So we need to complete it for when x is 2 and when x is 4. So y is equal to 40x plus 75. So when x equal to y is equal to 40 by 2 plus 75. So that will give us 80 plus 75, which will give us 155. So we can put that in our table here, 155. Then when x equal 4, y is equal to 40 by 4 plus 75, which gives us 160 plus 75, which gives us 235. So we can put that inside here, 235. For part B, they want us to draw a graph using the grid given to represent the data in the table that we worked out just now. So as you could recall, we got 155 for here and we got 235 here. So we want to draw the graph. So we will draw a line to represent our x-axis. So we have a line to represent our x-axis, and we will draw a line to represent our y-axis. And we will use the scale that they have given to us. So on the x-axis, it's 2 centimeters to every hour. So 0 hours, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, and 7 hours. So every 2 centimeters, we have put in 1 hour. And on the y-axis, every 2 centimeters is $50. So every 2 centimeters, we're going to put in 50. So we go up in 50 every 2 centimeters. This will be 250, this will be 300, this will be 350, this will be 400, etc. So now we can plot the points as per the table. So when x is 0, y is 75. When x is 1, y is 115. So we know that there are 10 little blocks here, and the 10 little blocks represents 50. So if 10 represents 50, every little block represents 5. So this will be 100, 105, 110. So this will be 115 here. 2 would be 2, 155. So 2, 155. So 150, and every little block is 5, so that'll be 2, 155. Then 3 would be 3, 195. So 3, 195. So if this is 150, this is 175, 180, 185, 190, 195 would be here. 4, 235. So 4, we have 200, and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Then we have 5, 275. So 5, 275. And then we have 6, 315. So 6, 3, 3, 5, 3, 10, 3, 15. And they want you to draw a straight line through all the plotted points. So we get a line that looks like that. And of course we can label it y equal 40x plus 75. We put in a scale, so we'll say x-axis 2 centimeters to 1 hour, y-axis 2 centimeters to $50. We could put in a title for a graph. We can call it total charges for an electrician. And we can label our axes. We know that y is the charge in dollars, and we know that x is the number of hours. Then they want us to use our graph to determine the total charges when the job took 4.5 hours. So we will go to 4.5 hours on the x-axis, which is halfway between 4 and 5, and we will draw a dotted line going up, and we'll see that that corresponds, the corresponding y value is $250. So we know that our answer here is $250. The time and hours spent on a job if the total charges were 300. So total charges were 300. So we put in the dotted line from the 300, and we come down to this corresponding x value. Right? And that gives us 5.6 hours. The fixed charge for a visit. The fixed charge for a visit is when we have spent 0 hours so far. So we spent 0 hours. What is the fixed charge? And at 0 hours, we are charged $75. So regardless of how long the electrician spent, he spent $75 in the beginning, and then $40 for every hour after that.